How to buy AINBNB token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 16 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trading number 2 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the BitGet wallet for that. Now after that, I will just open to my wallet first to be able to buy this token. So what you need to do here. Now, first of all, make sure to select the BNB chain network and now click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is also now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, just go back and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called AINBNB. Now click on it. So here, make sure to click on swap and now switch from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see, so as you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool, please select a different token. So if you see this issue message, what you need to do, now you can now buy it via PancakeSwap. Now go and open the PancakeSwap like that, so as you can see. So wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, what you need to do after that, as you can see here, now make sure to connect your wallet. Now click on connect wallet here, and now select your wallet from here. So if you don't find your token or your wallet, here, now click on more. So as you can see, now you can find your wallet. So select your wallet. I will use the OKX wallet. Now after that, as you can see, just log into my wallet first. And now what you need to do, as you can see here, just wait a few seconds. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to the PancakeSwap, now what you need to do, if you don't see your token here, now go back to this token page on the screener. Now you can copy the token address from here. Now go back to PancakeSwap and click here, and as you can see, paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this is also going to click on import. So click on I understand. Now click on import again, and you will be able to see your token here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT like that. So here you can type now how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now click here on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy AINBNB token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. So next video.